Hi, it's Alex from LaughingPlace.com here today with an unboxing video. We are looking at Disney Pixar's Incredibles 2. This is the Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital copy combo pack, and here is the outside of the slipcover. Now, it does have embossing, and it has this really cool iridescent effect. I'm not sure how well that is showing up on the camera, but it radiates pretty much everywhere around the main artwork. So anywhere there, it's got this kind of almost like a fiery ripple effect, which is really neat. It does have a sticker on it that advertises Auntie Edna, the new short created exclusively for this release, and it does have the multi-screen edition banner on top, which every Disney fan hates, but it's getting smaller, which is good. So they just need to make it all the way smaller so it's not there anymore. On the spine, there's two sides to it. The main one has Helen Parr, Mrs. Incredible, but if you wanted to do something different, you could use the other side and get Jack Jack, everyone's favorite. And then here is the back of the box. I love the stylized artwork that they've done for the back. It is very cool, very mid-century. It does have a listing of some of the bonus features. I know there's deleted scenes, and this is already available on digital. And so I've actually already seen all of the bonus features that are included here. The deleted scenes are pretty cool. Most of those are animated storyboard form. The music video that advertises Super Baby. It's the girls from the Disney Channel show Bizaardvark, so take it or leave it. There's the Heroes and Villains, which they're advertising quite big. That was, it was okay. They were little behind-the-scenes things on the origins of the characters, but you get a lot of that elsewhere in the bonus feature content. The piece that I thought was the best for Disney fans is called Strong Coffee. It's about 20 minutes long, and it's really about what it's like working with Brad Bird, but equally it's about Brad Bird's early days at Disney Animation. And a lot of people don't know this, but as a teenager, he was pretty much granted access before Disney Animation had any kind of an internship program. And so he is walking through the halls of the old animation building, reminiscing about working with the 9 old men and learning from them when he was in high school before he even went to Cal Arts and became an animator himself. And then they really kind of jump forward in time. He skips a lot of his career, but it's really interesting and mostly about how he is taking 9 old men methods for animation and still using those today with films like Disney Pixar's The Incredibles. Sliding it out of the packaging, here is what's underneath. Standard Blu-ray case. There is the spine. And then there's the back. Now, it doesn't say anything about discount on here, but having seen the bonus features, it felt like a 2-disc edition level of bonus features. So I'm curious to see if it's 2 Blu-rays, 1 DVD on the inside, but we'll open it up and take a peek. All right, inside we have the digital copy code on the what is one of the inserts. I'm going to cover up that code because it's not yours. And it does advertise an exclusive digital bonus feature that can be found on Movies Anywhere. I've seen that one as well. It's all about Samuel L. Jackson. It's an animated recounting of his upbringing in the South and why he connects so much to superhero films and comic books and why he does Marvel and the Incredibles films. So that's a really cool bonus feature. You guys are going to love that. On the back of that flyer, it just has a little more information about Movies Anywhere. The other insert is for Disney Movie Club, and this one is Coco branded, which is perfect because this is a Pixar film, and that's the last Pixar film that came out. So there is the Coco one. Now there is disc art for this release because Pixar gets to choose how their films are released, and while Disney doesn't do disc art, Pixar does. So there are the 2 Blu-ray discs, both with disc art. Now the DVD is included in this set as well, and that is underneath here. These are stacked discs, disc art for the DVD as well. So obviously a very top-notch release. 2-disc Blu-ray set, 1-disc DVD, digital copy included, and it's a great set. Incredibles 2 comes to Blu-ray on November 13th, along with the Disney Pixar Shorts Collection Volume 3. Volumes 1 and 2 are already available, and that will probably also include Bao and Auntie Edna, which are both on this disc. And if you're looking for custom packaging, you'll find it at Best Buy and Target. If you're interested to learn more about the bonus features, be sure to head to LaughingPlace.com. We have our full written review of the digital copy that's included with this set, and that includes all the bonus features that are going to be on these discs. So feel free to go check that out if you're interested. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are interested in seeing more Disney content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because it's pretty much all we do. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.